Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. This week, in our Oil of the Week segment, we have chosen eucalyptus oil. We are diving into one of my all-time favorite essential oils. Trust me, if you haven't explored this one yet, you're in for a treat. Let's begin by discussing its origins. Eucalyptus oil is steam distilled from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, native to Australia. Aboriginal communities have used it for centuries, not just for its scent, but for its healing properties. What makes it so special? First and foremost, it provides respiratory support. Just a few drops in a diffuser can help clear sinuses and ease tightness in the chest. I use it during allergy season and it works wonders. It's also a natural antimicrobial. You can mix a few drops with water and use it as a DIY surface spray. Fresh, clean and chemical-free. And if you're like me and enjoy a good at-home spa night, add a few drops to the shower floor. The steam lifts that crisp, minty aroma and turns your bathroom into a sanctuary. One thing to keep in mind, it's potent. Always dilute with a carrier oil before putting it on your skin. It is unsafe for small children and pets, so keep it out of reach. I love how eucalyptus oil helps me slow down and breathe deeper. It's simple, grounding, and reminds me to take care of myself, even in the smallest ways. So if you're looking for a fresh start this week, try eucalyptus. Please share in the comments how you like to use it. Until we meet again, breathe easy and stay well.